I'm Case107, and today I'm going to be making a sticky note paper dart, and here's the result of it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so step one, you need a sticky note. How else would you make this? So you want the sticky side faces you, okay? And then all you want to do, take the corner, fold it, like that, and then make a crease. So you got a little corner. Next, you're gonna want to take this side. You're gonna want to make it even with this line going down. Then make sure the tip stays perfect. Be straight. Should have something like that. Then you're gonna want to fold it again, as you can see. So you have like a nice rectangle looking thing. But you're gonna want to have that little piece sticking out at the bottom. And if you have that, that means you're doing it right. And if you have a nice good tip up here, then that's also good. So next, you're gonna want to take this side, and then you're gonna want to fold it over. Make a crease. Should have something like that now. Now, I want to take this piece hanging off, flip it over, make another crease, make sure it's a nice, perfect straight line. See that line going down? That's perfect. Then you're going to take this loose piece, bring it around here. Remember, this is the sticky side, and hook it on right there. Here's the result. As you can see. Now I'm also going to be showing you how to throw it, because I'm not that kind of guy that just goes, come back in 24 hours and see the result on how to throw it. No, I'm gonna show you guys how to throw it. So, yeah. Okay, so you have this. You have the dart. It should look like this. So, this is a very easy way on how to throw it. It doesn't take long at all. Okay, so first, you're gonna wanna take your two pointer fingers on your left and right hand. One right there, and then one on the other side. Should look like that. Okay, now you're gonna wanna turn it like that, and then all you wanna do is fling it, like a slingshot kind of. See, and it should go up pretty high. Except I have tall, I have a tall roof, so it's kind of hard to reach it. So I'll try. And nope, not that time. Coming together. And if you get it perfect, you'll hear a loud like noise, like when you hit the wall. But it works better with the school roofing thing on the top, because it's like easier to stick. Not really wall and house roofing. So I'm gonna do it again. Heard that? See? That's how you do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and like. If you didn't like this video, dislike it. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, and it's the same as my username here. And share this video with all your friends if they also want to make this and they're wondering how. Just yeah, feel free to use this. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, see you guys later. Peace.